Oh, good morning mga kamot-mot. So ito, magmumukbang na naman si kamot-mot. May kasama tayo dito na pantanggal ng lagnat. Hindi na uso kasi ang gamot ngayon. Tapos meron tayong pipino. May sinigang na tuna, mani, balot, pansit. May daing tayo na galing ng Masbate. Mayroon tayong kimchi tsaka isang kangkong. So, shot tayo kamot-mot. Pantanggal lang, pampapawis kasi medyo masama pakaramdam ni kamot-mot dahil siguro sa aircon kanina. Shot tayo. So tayo sa balot mga kamot-mot. May sisiw oh, balot sa puti, maganda-ganda ang balot na yun. Tinanggalan ko na ng balat kamot-mot. Pansit. Ito kain to na kunting, may kain na may kunting gin. Ay, mali. Pinapawin na sa kamot-mot. At langaw pa. Pero masama kasing pangalan din na kamot-mot kaya medyo nadara siguro sa aircon mga kamot-mot.
Can you come closer? I'll just tell you. Yes, sir. I don't want to speak loudly. Can you come closer, sir?
Hindi magbukas yung mo.
Please, sir, we can anything
Talaga
forward.
naman.
Thank you.
No.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Hemant Roy, head chef here at Taj. We're all terribly sorry for your accident there, gentlemen. You can rest assured the birth
Tayong sinigang na tuna.
there are no internal windows and every contents has been secured. Safeguard.
May sili pa.
Ma'am, we are outside right now. It's just a matter of time. Yes, what's important is that we remain calm and quiet because we want our position to remain.
So, kamot-mot. Hanggang dito na lang. Itutuloy natin to. Bye-bye.